Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how to install the APAC Multi-Slab clamp edge protection system. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at what makes the clamp different. Unlike a traditional slab clamp, the multiple slab clamp can be installed in two directions. It can be mounted on a horizontal concrete slab edge for perimeter edge protection, or it can be mounted on a vertical concrete structure such as parapet wall, retaining wall, or other concrete edge. With one clamp, you can cover multiple applications on site. That means fewer components, faster installation, and better efficient. Before installation, check the thickness of the concrete structure. For thinner section, the clamp can be clamped between 20 to 300 millimeter. For thicker sections, it can be mounted from 180 to 450 millimeter. So adjust the opening and select the proper installation directions. For the thickness over 300, you need to adjust this clamp. So we need to lose this nut first and change this clamp to this direction. See, so it can be bigger and put the nut on. Then put the nut on. Okay. Step 1, position the clamp. Loosen the locking nut. Adjust the opening to suitable the concrete thickness and place the clamp onto the slab. Make sure both sides sit firmly against the structure. Step 2, secure the clamp. Hand tighten the nut, then use a hammer. Fully lock the mechanism in place. Once it's done, make sure the clamp is stable and firmly fixed to the structure. Step 3, install the safety post. Insert the post into the socket. Push it into the position. Make sure the locking pin engages correctly. And check that if the post remains vertical. Step 4, install the mesh panels. Before that, we need to put the locking pin out. Then, place the mesh panel into the locking mechanism, like this. After that, we need to put the locking pin back to secure the mesh panels. Yeah. Step 5, final check. Make sure all the clamps are fixed, all the posts are installed correctly, all the mesh panels are locked in position, and all the protected area are no gaps anymore. Then the system is ready for use now. Question is, why APAC multi-slab clamp? Suitable for multiple applications. One clamp fits different concrete structures. Dual direction design. No drilling required. No casting-in components required. Fast and simple installation. Hot dip galvanized steel construction. Reusable across multiple projects. Combined with international safety standards. APAC multi-slab clamp helps you create a safe, reliable, and efficient edge protection system for a wide range of construction projects. Thanks for watching. For more information, contact APAC today.